Hello everybody and welcome to Techie Housewife. Today I'm pretty excited to talk to you about Valve's video tearing down the Steam Deck. So let's get right to it. So Valve just released a video showing how to tear down Steam Deck, all the while issuing heaps of warnings. Now, I know this may have rubbed some people the wrong way, but I'm pretty thankful and even more excited for December to roll around so I can get my hands on it, tear it down, and add my NVMe SSD ASAP. If you have seen my previous videos, you know that I have reserved the 64 gig Steam Deck and that I have intentions of adding a 128 gig NVMe SSD as the 64 gig doesn't come with an SSD in place. Even though there are a lot of videos out there already cautioning us,
do not open the Steam Deck.
I, on the other hand, am super thankful and even more excited because it seems much easier than I was anticipating. And I have an experienced friend who is just itching to get his hands on this. I have hopes that this will be my dream retro machine. And sometimes to make things happen, we have to take a chance. And I am definitely ready to do that. So what do you guys think? Did their warning terrify you enough to keep you from opening up your Steam Deck and upgrading it? Or are you going to plunge straight forward into that and tweak it and play with it to your heart's content? Let me know in the comments below. I'm really curious. That is all I have for today. Please do leave your comments below letting me know your thoughts and your plans for Steam Deck and if they have changed or not. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and as always, have a Steam-tastic day.